Hey there, David Hawk here, and today I wanted to share with you how to get an exact measurement on something. If you're looking, how this came about is I'm making a jig or a template for some products, and I want these dots to be, well, here, this dot and that dot, I want them to be 5.5 inches apart. So the problem is I can drag it, you can see, but getting it exact is, I'm using a laptop here. Well, there. No, that's 4.5, isn't it? Duh. Measure twice, cut once. So now I'm getting hung up with the other stuff that I've got in this. So anyway, what I wanted to share with you is this. If you're having a problem with this like I am, you can do a box. I'd take away the aspect ratio so it doesn't get real wide, but then do 5.5 inches is what I'm looking for. So now I can take this up, center it on that dot, and then I can center this one because it'll snap to that box. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So there we go. Now it's perfectly 5.5 inches apart, and now I can get rid of that box. I'll group these so they stay together. And that is how I, anyway, make sure things are exactly measured if you need them exact. So anyway, I hope this video helps. If you know anybody you think it would help, please share it with them. And if you liked it, if you'd give me a thumbs up, I'd love it. If you would subscribe to my channel, I'd love that even more. So talk to you soon. Thanks. See ya.